to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today we're gonna do some old-fashioned coleslaw, but we're gonna put a twist on it because we are not using sugar. All of these are keto recipes and they are fantastic. So let's get started. All right. Coleslaw. And right now I'm just cutting it up. This is going to be keto. You stay over there. I think that's enough. About a teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to mix it up until it's ready for my other ingredients. And I'll add the red onions to the bowl. I'm going to add some vinegar. I added a tablespoon of vinegar. Mix it up. I need to get my gas over. I added the carrots to the bowl here. Now I'm gonna grab my mayo. I'm gonna add about 4 teaspoons of mayo to this. It's not that much in here, in this container. Okay, that's about it. It's all in this container. So that will have to do. I miss my coleslaw, so that's why I decided to show you how I make mine, because I can't get it at a regular place because they add sugar to it. So I'm gonna add a little stevia to my coleslaw. Just a little bit. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and mix that up. Mix everything together. And mixed up everything really well. It looks delicious, and I know exactly what's in it. So tell me, guys, what do you think of this recipe? Comment in the comment section. I'd love to talk to you. So start talking to me. All right? All right. If you like this recipe, like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.